Hey friends, it's Samara and I'm so excited to be back with you for July 2026 using PinkFresh Studios Fresh Start. Let's check out this kit. This circle is seriously calling my name. Look at that, it is so fabulous. Let's check out the rest of the flavors of the month kit. This stripe, oh my gosh, loving it, loving it. This green paper, so cute, but I'm loving that pink. You'll get 2 sheets of white cardstock, and then you'll get an assortment of embellishments as well as some enamel dots. And in the embellishment kit, you will get these really cute chipboard stickers. And then finally, in the pattern paper kit, you'll get these 2 sheets of paper. Look at that marble. Oh my gosh. And those stars. Love that star galaxy paper so much. All right, let's get started. Let's build this layout. So of course, the very first thing we're going to do is take a look at our pictures. And I've decided that I'm going to do a layout about me. I've really been focusing on my health, mental, physical, emotional health, and so I should probably focus on me. So let's go ahead and do that. But first, let's cut out this circle. Oh, lickety split. I am loving that circle, but I'm also loving this stripe. So let's combine the two of them. We'll go ahead and square off this paper. But like I was saying, I've been really focusing on my health, and I've been on a bit of just this kind of health journey. And the other day I was at work and I had snapped a picture of myself because it was just like a good hair day, good makeup day, just a good day. And I just love how like everything just works so perfectly for this layout. And I often get asked, why do I do selfies? And I do selfies because, you know what, they make me feel good. And I'm able to take the pictures of myself because when I am gone, who else is taking those pictures, right? I guess you can't take pictures when I'm gone, but you get what I'm saying. Like nobody else is taking the pictures. So take the pictures and create the layouts. As I was spinning this wheel around, I was kind of laughing. Am I in autumn? Am I a spring, summer, fall? I'm loving how this little semicircle here is coming into place. So I'm just trying to figure out the orientation of that and what I'm going to do here. We're going to take this pixelated pink paper and create a little bit of a border around that photo. But before we do that, we're going to cut off a couple of the little triangles here to kind of slide them out from the circle or the semicircle. You'll see what I mean here in just a minute. So I'm gluing as I go and also cutting as I go. So I'm just cutting a couple of those little triangles out, and you'll see I use the one as a placeholder, slide it out, use that one as a placeholder, and then glue the last one into place. And then of course we're going to use our foam tape because what's a layout without foam? And just popping up the very edges of those little triangles. It just adds a little bit of texture, a little bit of interest to your page. All right, let's go back to our border for our photo. I was looking at some older layouts the other day and I was noticing how all of my older layouts all have my photos printed without borders. And I don't know, for me, I just love having a little bit of a border around my photo. I just feel like it makes for a more polished look to the photograph as well as to the final layout. All right, let's grab some of those embellishments and let's get going here. So I'm loving the little flower and the little leaf there. I wish I had more. Also loving that you brighten the world, because again, I'm on this kick. It's about me, you guys. I have to care about me the very most. Like, I have to be the most important thing in my life. So there I am. We're going to pop up just a little bit of that You Brighten the World. Nothing too crazy, and we'll just put that right over the top of the photo. I love that little clip, super cute. I don't think I end up using it though. I'm just going to pop up the leaves here, just the bottom ones, and then we will position this into place, and then grab this little flower and pop that into place. And taking a look at those chipboard stickers, I love this Day by Day. I'm trying to figure out if I can get that little blue flower into place, and it just doesn't work. And then I also love this little tag here that says Just Start. I'm loving that pen. I end up not using it. I thought it was perfect though for a work layout. And I love that little push pin. All right, so I'm grabbing some stickers from my stash. I recently went through all of my stash and I'm trying to make use of it. So these are some old leftover thickers from back in the day. And my layout title is You Got This. Because sometimes the days are really hard. I love this little butterfly. I went ahead and creased it down the middle and then put foam onto the two wings and then put a bead of glue down the center so that the wings pop up. And now we're going to finish off with some additional embellishments. So we've got our little chipboard stickers, and then we'll use some of those enamel dots in just a minute. Love that little stripey stripe. All right, and then I also love this little tag. It says You Are Doing the Brave Things, because I do a lot of advocating for students and for teachers, and it's really important for me to do the brave things, to say the brave things. I'm loving these enamel dots and hearts, so cute. And guys, that is it. I'm loving this layout. I hope that you love it just as much as I do, and have fun creating.